Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is our crypto mining 2024. So this is how you can claim your OEX tokens from the OEX app. So the first thing you have to do, you have to update the OEX app. So you can update the OEX app from GitHub. So basically, if you want to get the link, just go to the. If you want to get the correct link, just go to the OEX Twitter page and get the link from there. So head on to Twitter. Then just search OEX, Openex. Then just scroll down to where there's the latest update. Then here's the latest update. Then come and tap this link. This is the link that will take you directly to GitHub. Then tap it. Then there, choose download from GitHub. Tap that. So basically, after downloading from GitHub, your app will appear on your history. So you just have to install it. So just come below here. Then under downloads, then there's your app. So just tap it and install it. So but before you install the app, you must delete your previous old OEX app. So just delete the previous OEX app, then install the updated version, because if you install the new version without installing the previous version, it won't install. But before deleting, make sure you copy your mnemonic phrase, because you'll use it to restore your wallet. So basically, when you're done installing the updated version app, now go open the app from your phone. So open it. Now for your case, if you have updated it, you'll just have to tap here import, then use the mnemonic that you copied, use it, come and tap import, then paste the mnemonic here, then tap on next. But for my case, I had already imported it. I just have to sign in. So let me sign in my Openex app. So then continue. Then after installing the new app, this is how to look. Then first things first, go to GitHub here, tap GitHub, then go head on to OEX there, tap on OEX. Then there you'll see your points, your Satoshi points, your RGX points, your trading points, total, then your email, your claim status. So for my case, my claim status is unlocked. Then the number of registered tokens, the total release of OEX points, then the start time, then the claimable. So this is the amount that you can claim to your wallet. Then now what you do, before anything, come and tap here. There'll be a tab for registering. So just tap there, then it will confirm. This tick will appear. Then after this tick appears, come tap under claim several times. So just tap under claim several times until it says claimed success. So just tap and wait for some seconds. OEX claim. So it says fail, but fail. There it is, OEX claim successful. You can see the prompt said OEX claim successfully. So after claiming successfully, Now we are done with claiming. You can just go back, tap this tab for going back, then come and tap. So go back and tap Airdrop, come and tap Airdrop there, like that. So for you to be sure that you have claimed your coin successfully, they must appear here. So you'll see your OEX tokens there. So come and tap the OEX tab. Then okay, you'll see that your coins are reflecting there. Then when you have confirmed that your coins are there, you can come and tap send here. But if your coins are not reflecting, you can just go back and tap claim again till they reflect. That will mean that you have claimed your tokens successfully. But if they appear, come and tap here send. Then you can see it's requiring a recipient address for us to claim our token balance. Then we send. So for the address, this is where now MEXC wallet comes in. So just go back to your MEXC app and open it. So let me exit. Then yeah, here's the MEXC app. So just open it. Deny. Then this is how to load. Then head on to wallet. Remember, we want to get our address that you want to send our OEX tokens to, and OEX is listed on MEXC. That's why you're using MEXC wallet. Then come and tap deposit. Then search the OEX token. OEX. Then there it is. So you can see my balance is 0 there. Then you can see there's an option for tap to generate address, and the network is core. So make sure the network is core. Then just come and tap here, generate the address, because this is the address we want to use to transfer our tokens. So tap generate. Then verify deposit, ensure the security of your deposit, blah blah blah. Information you linked to this email. Please ensure that the deposit address received matches the address found in the deposit, if any. Yeah, all that. Then you can opt to choose. See, you can choose to skip, because the same address will still appear there. So you can see this is the address. So when the address appears like that, just copy it, because this is what you want to use. So just copy it. Copied successfully. Please check when pasting to avoid tampering. So after copying it, go back now to your OEX wallet. So now you basically you can see my token. You can see I have 0 OEX. So let me go back to my OEX app so that I can claim my tokens. So back. Open the OEX app again. Sign in. Head to hub. Then head to airdrop. Then tap OEX. Then head on to send. Then paste the address there. So basically this is the first method of claiming your OEX points, but there's also another method of claiming, but this is the most easier one. But for you to claim, you must have some tokens in form of core less than 0.001. So just deposit some core in your MetaMask wallet, then just claim. So come here and tap send. can see it's loading. Then you can see that we have a tab of success here. So basically that's it. You have claimed our token successfully, but you can just tap send again to confirm. Just tap send again to confirm. Yeah, tap send to confirm that you're transferring, that your tokens are successfully transferred. So let me refresh again. Refresh and tap send again. So you can see after refreshing, my balance is 0. This means that I've already claimed my OEX token. So I just have to go to MEXC app and confirm. So let me exit so that I can see my tokens in my MEXC app. Yeah, so let me exit so that I can open my MEXC app. Exit. I just have to force exit. And open my MEXC app. So there it is. So before going to check your wallet, just come and tap this notification part here, this message thing here. Tap it like that. Then you can see your notification here, your notifications of depositing. So sorry. So you can see MEXC depositing reminder. It is depositing reminder, and the time, confirming that it's the recent deposit. So come and tap one of them, then come and check now. So you want to check if you have deposited our tokens correctly. So here it is. You can see OEX deposit successfully. OEX deposit successfully. The amount is that, and the progress is that. That's 7 out of 30, and the time of deposit is that. Time of deposit, amount, then deposit successfully. So I just have to go and check my wallet for confirmation. So let me go back. Wallet, then under just have to under spot, then there it is. You can see my OEX balance is there and it's reflecting. You can see there the amount is 76 and the worth of USDT I have. So basically, if you want to withdraw, just come and tap Openex. Sorry. If you want to withdraw, come and tap here. We have withdraw here, withdraw tab. So basically, this is if you want to withdraw it to maybe Binance or any wallet of your choice. So come and tap withdraw, then on chain MEXC transfer. So basically, you can see withdrawing is suspended, but this is the method of withdrawing. So just tap on chain withdrawal, then confirm. Then make sure if you want to withdraw, you are using a co-chain, then the address, then when the withdraw is available, you can just withdraw your points to your Binance or your OEX, then transfer them to your bank in form of cash. So basically, that's the first method of claiming your tokens directly using MEXC wallet. But there's another method of claiming using MetaMask if you're having problems with the MEXC wallet. So using MetaMask, you just have to copy the contract address for Openex. Copying the contract address for Openex. So with the contract address, then open your MetaMask app, then come and import wallet, then the contract address, paste it there. Yeah, paste it, then tap next. Then you can see it's OEX, then tap next, then tap import. Then you will see it here. So if you're using this method for the first time, your balance will appear here, but you can see mine I had already withdrawn them, but for your case you'll see them there. Now what you have to do is just come and tap Openex, then receive. Now when you're using MetaMask, this is the address you're going to use. Just copy it, then head to OEX. Head to OEX. Then head on to sign in. Just sign in as normal. Sign in as normal, then hub, then airdrop, then OEX, then send. Now the address you copied from MetaMask, just paste it there, then head on and tap send. When you tap send, your coins will reflect here. Your coins will now reflect on your MetaMask app. Wait a bit for it to load. Yeah, when you tap send, your tokens will reflect here. Now when they reflect there, you just have to send them. Now come and tap send. Then the address we copied from MEXC app, the deposit address, come and paste it here where we have send. So remember we copied the address first, so come and tap clipboard. Then the first address we copied from MEXC, just use that, so come and tap it here, then next, then use max. So make sure you have copied it, you copied the address from MEXC wallet, then come and tap next, then send. Then now basically that's the other method of withdrawing your OEX points from MetaMask. So you can either use any method you want, but basically both of the methods, they'll require some little core as gas fee. So if you don't have some core, you can just ask for under the comment, then I'll text you, then you'll provide me your core address, then I'll send you some core. So basically that's it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so for more mining updates.